Well, I'm just gonna keep it stock. Well, I haven't done any video with this GX yet. I'll do the cover, but we got new seat covers and of course the well visors, so I'm gonna slap these on real quick. Lesson of the day: don't install these over grass because you won't find little pieces. I like these too. Mine been on the Montero for a while now. Held up really well. So these are now up. But it's got like a black chrome line up top, which is really nice because that's exactly what I'm going to be doing here instead of plastic dipping it black. Alright, next morning. These things are great. So I don't actually have any rips, but the leather is tired. And then I got new ones coming for this to replace it. They're like 30 bucks, so easy day. But we'll go ahead and upgrade the seat covers to something nicer. Let's get out and get going on this. Color match is pretty close, and I'm only planning on doing the front seats because the back ones will more than likely come out, so we can go ahead and do the sleeping platform in the back. Now I got some fresh air when it's parked. Look at these bad boys. This one kind of tucks under, but it keeps popping out, so I'm gonna leave it like this, but wife loves it. Oh, and I did this too. I forgot to video it, but I did a little plastic dip with the metalizer. Alright, I took off a couple panels. They come off pretty easy. They're looking sick. I'm actually surprised the foam around the speaker is like pristine. Normally these are all old, but this one's super nice. Just pop the panel behind this guy. Alright, all the panels are off. I'm gonna clean around all the corners and whatnot. I already did like initial cleaning somewhat, but we'll do a little better, unscrew all the back panels. And for now, I'm just doing plastic dip and then metalizer over it because I don't feel like wrapping and sitting around here, and I don't really have a whole lot of wrap. But yeah, all I gotta do is just unscrew the wood panel from the back, wherever that is. Yeah, there's a couple of screws and it'll pop off and we'll start spraying it. Yay! And since all these are already out, we're gonna go ahead and do the LED conversion kit over here. Because might as well. I might do this after the fact and pop them off. It's quick and easy, but it does come with that plastic tool, so if you don't have one and you're gonna do convert LEDs, you can just get that. Alright, so obviously I'm doing something. These were all janky, so I installed new ones, but the back ones were chrome and I didn't feel like replacing them, so we plastic dipping them. And then obviously we gotta do the rest here. Thanks Dave Ramsey for baby steps. Whoop, whoop. And then the grill is over there, so yeah, let's spray it. Alright, so you can see this is not just black. It's like very, very dark gunmetal. So let's take all this off and see how it looks. Alright, let's wrap it up for the day. Alright, I'm gonna leave it stock challenge continues. So we got ourselves some most definitely not stock wheels. These are Alphaequipt I don't know if I'm gonna actually put them on, but they're pretty sick. Pizza cutter, 17 by 7.5. So I'm gonna cover them up in a second. But I'm ripping the seats out, and I just got some sleeping bags today. Speaking of which, my wife's RX 350 got fatter wheels, but we might sell it. And then Montero looking sick with the brush guard. I'm ripping these seats out because we're gonna go camp overnight in this and then pick up some goodies that I just found. It's coming up on Thanksgiving over here, so beautiful fall in Georgia, South Georgia. I'm loving it here. And yeah, let's see what I'm gonna pick up tomorrow morning for this almost stuck GX, which is all like murdered out now. And I ordered the parts to reseal the headlights because I'm gonna probably bake them apart here over the Thanksgiving break, because you know, gotta keep it stock. All right, we're back from Atlanta. I don't know how the sound will be since my neighbor's cutting grass there, but here's the wheels that I got. So we're not sure we're gonna put them on because they're kind of flat. I might go with a more concave wheel, but let's set up the tripod and see what kind of goodies we have in the back over there. Well, this gives me massive flashbacks to my first video with the Montero. Montero gets new wheels. Did I do something else? Yeah, I think I did something else first, but anyways. Yeah, not bad. It's kind of a cool copper color. It's DIY job. I'm debating if I'll repaint this black, but honestly, I might just leave them alone because it's kind of neat. And wasn't expecting to like it as much, and I'll probably just bolt them on and see how they look. But yeah, but wait, there's more. Yep, we got ourselves a OME 2-inch lift kit, and the front struts over here with my Florida Man Essentials outfits. So yeah, 5 tires and the lift kit all together, $1,200 cash money. Feel like that's a decent deal, so I'll not deal with it because it's Thanksgiving today, but tomorrow morning I'll probably go ahead and wash all this crap off. I'll probably wash it off now, take a nap, and then go to a Thanksgiving thing because it's been a long night and we'll see what's what. Well, it's raining, but we got the wheels and tires in the back of the GX. Throw in the last tidbits, and then I gotta wrap the last wheel. Toss it inside here. Actually, I'm gonna throw it up front. There we go. Shocks, springs, airbag delete kit. Got all the new LEDs all around. But from a great country of Kazakhstan. Is it racist if I make Kazakhstan jokes if I'm Eastern European myself? I don't think so, but let me unwrap this real quick and I'll show you what it is. Obviously, I checked it out already. All right, look at that. So pretty. So cool. It matches the color with the dash pretty good. I could have gotten rid of the GR letters, but I don't mind them. I like them. So let's wrap this up and replace the orange one and go eat some food, and hopefully tomorrow is the big day to get all the mods done. All right, so we might have lifted this and it's rubbing a little bit. You can see right there. So I'm probably gonna cut just a little further. Same thing, I don't know if you can see, but it's rubbing kind of like right there. So that one, everybody says they heat gun, so we might just heat gun. And then on the back, I don't like that thing is lower than that, so I'm probably just gonna go and trim it up a couple inches so that it'll just look sharper and follow like the stock lines. See how that looks. And I don't think I'm gonna get rid of cut the bumpers or even get rid of the side stuff for now. I'm pretty happy with how it looks, so let's go cutting. All right, I'm using this kind of cut off blade. I did the other side already. This cuts like butter, so let's do this side. Alright, because this can move back a bit, I'm just gonna yank back on it with put a couple holes and attach them to the body mount over there. Obviously, for this, there's only one tool to rule the hole. All right, easy day. Look at that. And the cool part about 275 17 is that the spare fits. Just. To be honest with you though, I think the jigsaw was overkill because this cuts pretty easy and clean with just surgical scissors. Could have done that. Alright, well the RX is gone. Now we just have our two Gas Mileage Appreciation Club Japanese SUVs. So I already replaced the fog lights yesterday. So today I'm gonna try to get these two swapped out, and I got the little guys for the side because they kind of don't match the colors. It's some kind of normal halogen because I don't want the hyper flash yet. And then some sea light LEDs for the front. I'm not a color aficionado or anything like that, or the headlight aficionado, so there we go. Something or other, not sure which one's which, so I gotta watch a video, read directions, and go from there. Well, it makes sense that my DRLs was a little bit different colors, so I'm gonna go check if I have any old Montero bulbs, but if I don't, I'll just go ahead and run out to the store and buy. I don't know if I want the orange or the white. I'm not gonna buy LEDs yet because it'll have hyper flash and then it'll cost me a bunch of money for the LEDs, and I don't feel like buying the relay that'll take care of the hyper flash yet. So for now I'll just spend like $5 on the bulbs and swap that. All right, well, it's been about 5,000 miles since all the mods. The GX is working great. We're in the Blue Ridge Parkway. It handles amazingly on all these mountain roads and stuff like that. I was gonna do a lot more to it right away, but honestly, I'm really happy with how it looks because the next steps are all A, expensive, and B, I'm not sure if I want to do them yet because I'd have to do the snorkel and the bumper and the sliders, and then probably put the spare tire from underneath on the back and all that other stuff and the camo wrap. And for now, honestly, unlike the Montero, because I did a lot of this stuff sooner than later, I'm just enjoying how good this looks and how good this drives, and yeah, there we are. All right, since my wife has to take a call and not much left to like look at because it's all a bunch of fog, let's go over my setup. So these things love so that inside doesn't get hot, get some air going. These mats have been great. Although the only thing I don't like about the cloth ones absorb, like if my flip-flops are wet or something like that. So in here, like the water will pool because it doesn't go through and doesn't absorb. We got obviously like all LED everywhere. My windshield did crack. I don't know if I'll pick it up. There you go. You can kind of see it cracked like all the way around, so I'm gonna have to replace that. But anyways, dash cover is fine for now. I might replace the dash later, but I don't really care, it doesn't bother me none. All the plastic dip held up really well. And then I might buy it. Recently the thing came out where I can attach my stuff over here, but I don't know if I'll want it yet. I didn't care for this at first because it was kind of wobbly and I put some stuff on it, but honestly it's been great. I've traveled a few thousand miles with it now and I'm kind of used to it. It neatly connects to my phone. I keep meaning to upgrade the stereo, but that thing doesn't give me any trouble, so it's all right. I got my favorite patch over here. There we go. Life is beautiful. Wife bought herself a bear. I do definitely need to, since this is all dead stuff now, replace all this. Let's see if I can focus. There you go. And get the double cup holder, because a lot of times I find myself like I'll put my wallet in here or something like that. So I want that, and then I have a little same thing but smaller one for wife's side because it's not as much room. So that's that. Got the little cup holder, so these are handy. I mean, I want to do the by the DAC relocation thing, and I can technically move it here, but I kind of like the clean look, so I'll just buy this panel with the extra spots and relocate the DAC there. Steering wheel's been fantastic, love it, nothing to say there, matches great. I think that's about the front. I will probably take the seat covers off and just use like the leatherique or whatever these things are called and replace that. I got new, whatever these things are called, shifters. They were somehow $1.43 delivered to my house from AliExpress or whatever. They're black, but kind of matches all the switches, so I'm okay with them. And let's go in the back. So this has been great. These I have just a couple free pouches that I got from somewhere. This has water bottles, not much to it. This one has just a jump starter and whatnot. Got my Yankee thingy if I ever lock myself inside or the handle broke. We're just testing equipment now, so I haven't built no sleeping platforms. I do normally roll around with the back seat half removed, so if I want to throw my bikes there, because I haven't got the trailer hitch yet. But I don't know, nobody rides with me, so I don't care. I do have a trash can that's kind of nice. I got the Molly panels over here, so this one I got just the medical one. I get it out, throw it in my good old trusty GR1 backpack, and then this one has an MRE, stays there. I don't have anything like too organized here. Look how cloudy this is now. We just looked and it was fine, and now you can see nothing. It's all like fog. Anyways, this one doesn't have much, just a bungee cords here, so I haven't attached really anything to the Molly panels yet, just because I don't know what I need. So this is part of the discovery trip. Also, a lesson learned: don't put patches on the sides, because when you pull them off, this happens. So this one you can kind of see, but I might see what's behind and then just put some kind of like screw in like a plastic Molly panel or something like that and have more use. And then I do have one coming for the back from Ohana Rig Supply, but hasn't been made yet or something. So it's been like ordered in March and it's almost May now. So yeah, we need to get it. But yeah, I think that's about the setup. And then I did throw, when we went like overnight camping and stuff, I do throw the whatever things up top if I need to, but yeah, so great success. I'll see you guys next time. We'll build more things. I probably am lying and we'll probably do many things to it sooner than later, but